ZANU-PF-aligned online activists, commonly referred to as Varakashi, are allegedly orchestrating a smear campaign against outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza, accusing him of accepting money and a vehicle to remain silent on the ruling party's controversial 30-term agenda. Salamila mashoko ari kuuya panapa Varakashi vari kuti vada kufusira aiwa Geza panguva ino tobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muda nyongwa mushinzi. ZANU-PF Geza has been a persistent and public critic of President mnangagwaZim, rumored bid for a third term, urging the ZANU-PF leader to step down. On Tuesday, online post by Varakashi claimed that Geza had received financial incentives and a car from senior party officials in exchange of backing off. One Varakashi account claimed, according to what I've gathered, Comrade Geza was given both a car and cash. They told him there was no need to keep speaking out because President Mnangagwa supposedly has no intention of going beyond 2028. He got his share. He put in the effort, but we didn't beg him. People on the streets may have resisted, but in the end, the struggle he fought has paid him and the others in the whole ZVAITWA what was due. The same account went on to mock those who had previously supported Geza's stance. In quotes, this man did his part, and now people insult him, calling him a mere YouTuber or a content creator. You wanted him to act alone, just like how you expect everything from President NELSONCHAMISA without lifting a finger yourselves. The smear campaign appears to be an effort to discredit Geza's growing influence, particularly among war veterans and the broader opposition-aligned base who have praised his courage in confronting ZANU-PF leadership. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kunzi Varakashi vazvipira kuti vafambise mashoko enhema vachiti Bombshell Geza akareceiva mari nemota vehicle vachivachimuka macitizens pamwe Geza wacho vachiti maisapota Geza but izvezvi masara murugori pama1 Geza atopinda zvake. Tudze mafunguro